Here we are again, me and Kieran. We're back on the railway line where we were a few months ago. And remember ago we tried the line all the way down to here, but we didn't find nothing at all, so we've come straight up here and got a nice long nail. Kieran's got a nail, a little nail, and a bolt. Oh, dirty hands now. So yeah, let's bring it back when we find some more stuff. Square washer Kieran's got. Got a big old nail, another nail. And further down there where we had that fight with that water tank that Kieran hooked onto, which some of you have seen on our video. We'll go down that way in a little while and see what we can find. Long little bar thing, and there I think might be a nut. We'll give it a tap, find out. Yeah, just a nut. Right, I think we're going to move on. There's not much coming out here. We did give it a good run over last time we were here, so we'll move up to the next bridge. Back in a little while. Alright, Kieran's disappeared in there. He's gone to something heavy in there, probably another track chair. So he's gone in there to try and get it from that way.
Ow. Ow.
There's not much, there's a lot of owl going on in there. Got another nut, nail, another
Big old spike.
mushroom nail, two more big nails.
Oh.
And Kieran got that. Might be a knife. I'll give it a tap in it well. But yeah, he's in there. You can hear a lot of noise, a lot of owling going on. But yeah, down there somewhere. We pulled right up to the hair and then that fell off. So you know, I don't know if you can see him in there.
Yeah, track chair.
He got a track chair. He got to carry it all the way home.
I'm not going to get it back through. I know you can put it, can't you?
Yeah.
Hang on. Oh god, this came off. There we go.
Hang on.
Oh god. You got my foot. Oh god.
You staying there for a maggot back?
Yeah. A splint am I?
That's it, right in the middle.
A splint has got deeper. That's it! I nearly got my toe.
Your rope's getting a bit knackered here, boy. Let's get a new rope on that. Get them and they cut through. Yeah, track chair. Oh hell.
Yeah.
I got a part of track chair this time.
I'm just in the bottom.
Well, I'll pull it through.
Bending. Oh. I can't really stand up.
Come back through. Watch your toes.
Watching my toes.
There you've got sort of half a track chair. And there's the bolt that goes through it. He's pulling out the heavy stuff today. Didn't think we were going to get much, but he is. That's normal. Yeah, he's certainly finding stuff.
Ow!
There he come.
Ow.
I've got a big nail. Let's have a little nail. Let's have a mushroom bolt.
Oh, God.
More little nails.
Oh.
Another square nut.
Get out.
Thing.
No, we're getting eaten. Another little nut, or bolt lower. And a load of